Whoa, whoa, what do I have here?
Let's open it up. We'll soon find out. Yeah. Check out this switch. Looks like it's gonna be waterproof. Oh, this is nice. I'm glad I went for this. Sometimes ordering online, you never know what you're gonna get. It has a low, off, and a high. So all I need is one. Well, it actually depends on how you can hook it up. So that's nice. I really like this thing. And the lighting here, I have real small hands. And you can see how big that is. And the mounting bracket, again, these brackets are always thin, man, and this one is no exception. It's just really, really, really flimsy. Let's get on installing.
I got all the wiring figured out. It took me a while. It was kind of a maze running, you know, this, whatever you call this electrical. I am by no means an electrical expert anyways. Let's turn this thing on. The headlight is on and the switch is up here. Oh yeah, we got light. We got light. We got yellow and we got white. Trust me, I do not like bright lights blaring in my eyes when I'm riding, so it might look bright, but I can promise you that it's not pointing at your eyes. There it is. My new LED lights. Okay, go ahead. And I also got the amber lights.